Hey, we've got Dr. Ilya Skolnikoff in studio today. He's the author of the Skolnikoff Method. Dr. Ilya, thanks so much for coming in. How are you and what have you been up to?
Well, thanks for having me. Things are going great. The Skolnikoff method is really taking off, and I have a few ideas as to why that is. I think it's probably because there is nothing else like the Skolnikoff method. I mean, let's face it. How would you be able to put a psychiatrist and a surgeon and a chiropractor and a marriage and family therapist and a naturopath and an acupuncturist and all these different people into a room, a massage therapist, and have them all know what each other healthcare provider is thinking? Well, with the Skolnikoff method, we have it all. There is one thing that has caught my attention, though. Every now and then over the years, people ask me, what do I think about this? What do I think about their cholesterol? What do they think about this infection? Or what do I think about this kind of inflammation for the knee, let's pretend. And I say, I don't know. We don't need to know what I think because we can ask your body what it thinks because you're the one with the inflammation. And that's what the Skolnikoff method is all about. It's a representation of professional applied kinesiology. So we normally go to the healthcare provider who does each thing. Like if we have a structural problem, we go to a surgeon or a chiropractor. If we have a chemical problem, we go to a nutritionist or naturopath or a homeopath. And if we have an emotional problem, we go to a psychologist or a psychotherapist. But we don't really have somebody who does all three different kinds of therapies. And now we do. So we don't really have to guess. We don't really need to take on my opinion. We can look at a person's body, and with professional applied kinesiology and the Skolnikoff method married together, we can really see a person's body respond to the question about what do I think or what I believe about this, that, or the other thing.
Yeah, I'm a man after your own heart because I'm always saying, I don't really want to think about things. I just want to know what's what. So I applaud you for doing that kind of thing. How can people find out more information about this book and the Skolnikoff method?
They can buy the book, and that's how they can find out more about it. It's called The Skolnikoff Method. It's everywhere books are sold, especially on Amazon and Barnes & Noble. And they can find out about me at skolnikoff.com. That's SKOLNIKOFF.com.
Thanks so much for joining me on Celebrity Experts.